guys, welcome back. Today we have this really cool Poopsie Surprise bath set with the reusable bath bucket. Now we did get these at Walmart. All kinds of really cool things in here. I cannot wait to open it with you. There is a shower gel, 2 bath bombs, a surprise, a loofah, and the reusable bath bucket. So let's go ahead and get this open. Take off the packaging. Ready? Let's get this lid open. Oh, this lid is tough. There we go. So there's our little lid. And then let's see what's in here. Okay. There's our loofah. And this is our surprise bath decal. Okay, so here's our reusable bucket that you can use in your bath or just for storage if you were to take this off. You can also use it at the beach for a sandcastle. That's actually pretty cool. Then we have these cute little bath bomb cupcakes, cupcake scented, shaped like stars. So there is one of those. There is this one as well. This one's also cupcake. So we have 2 little star-shaped bath bombs. Let's move that out of the way. We have the surprise shower gel. And this says pour a generous amount onto body. Let's take a sniff. Let's see. Oh, that smells cupcake as well. Oh, yum. It smells just like vanilla cupcakes. Wow. Here is our loofah. There's the string. Nice for showering with your bath. That's nice. Is it? Nope, that's not scented. It smells like plastic. And here we have the Poopsie Slime Surprise Bath Decal. Let's get this open and see what this is. That's the cardboard. Okay. And there, oh, there it is. It's the unicorn. Now, what do we do with this? Oh, okay, I get it. So you take these and you stick them to your tile of your tub or your shower, and then it makes it kind of like this. You stick this onto your tile, and you have a little unicorn tile. I have some of these that are different characters in my bathroom. Oh, that is so cute. I guess you could also stick them onto the side of your bucket if you've taken this off. Or not. Okay. Let's see what happens if we put one of the bath bombs in. Let's see how fuzzy and fizzy this gets. So we will add some water. There we go. And now let's add in one of these little bath bombs. See how fizzy they get. Let's cut it open. Now remember, if you're using bath bombs, you always want to rinse really well afterwards. So let's get this. Oh, it smells just like the shower gel. Nice and cupcake. Vanilla cupcakes. Let's see. Some of them have little prizes in them. I don't know if this one will. Let's see. There it goes. Whoa, look at the fizzing. Can you see the bubbles? Now this isn't warm water. But look, it's turning the water purple. Whoa, look at that. That would be really fun to have in the tub. Let's kind of swirl it around. Oh, look at how pink the water's gotten. And is there a prize in there? No, just the pink bathtub water. Wow, look at how pink that is. That is really, really pink. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for joining me. I am going to enjoy using all of these things in my bath. Hope you're having a great day. See you next time.